You are the passengers in a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone. A stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you.